guys, welcome back to another Mask Monday video. Today I'm super excited because I'm going to be trying out a new product that I have never ever tried before, and I'm so excited because it's from one of the brands that I really do enjoy their styling products, and that is The Main Choice. I don't think I've ever mentioned The Main Choice here on my channel, but some of my favorite products are from The Main Choice, so I will be sharing that with you guys in a little bit. But today's mask that we're going to be talking about is from the Ancient Egyptian line, and it's the Anti-Breakage and Repair Antidote Hair Mask. This mask is 8 fluid ounces and it retails for $19.99 at the Sally Beauty store or online. Before going into the details of this mask, I'm going to show you guys what I did to prep my hair. First thing I did was co-wash my hair. As you guys know, last week I already clarified it with apple cider vinegar rinse. If you haven't seen last week's Mask Monday video, I'll link it in the description box below so you can check it out and see what I used to wash and clarify my hair. So today I used the Palmer's Olive Oil Cleansing Conditioning Co-Wash, and this conditioner is a really good conditioner because it has no sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oils, no gluten. It doesn't contain any harsh chemicals, and it's great if you follow the curly girl method. After I used the co-wash, I went in with the Sheamoisture Manuka Honey Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Conditioner. This conditioner is great for detangling. It has an amazing slip, and it's just like, it leaves your hair feeling like butter and just nice and just beautiful. I love it. And the mask for this one, let me know if you guys want me to review it. I have tried it before, so it's not going to be a brand new mask, but girl, that mask is amazing. Anyways, before diving into the deep conditioner, I did want to read some of the claims of the deep conditioner, and then when I do it and test it out, we're gonna see if it did meet all of the criteria that it claims to do. I'm struggling right now just a little bit. I don't know if it's because of the lighting, or my eyes are just acting up, but these words are so tiny. Maybe I'm going blind or something, I don't know. The Main Choice is known for hair growth, right? All of their products contain biotin, or at least most of the products that I've tried, that I've seen, all contain biotin, and this one also has biotin. So this one is infused with biotin and vitamin A, B, C, and D, and it's, oh my god, I cannot read this. Intensely rejuvenate, condition, and hydrates. Deeply penetrates well into all layers of the hair shaft. It prevents and repairs cuticle damage. It restores the hair's condition and delivers shine. It makes hair feel soft and reduces the frizz. It's loaded with fatty acids omega-3, 6, and 9, and it helps to replenish hair and fight against split end. We're gonna test to see if it does all of these things. Let's talk about it. I'm gonna open this and finally a product that smells good. I've been tormented the last 2 weeks, I feel, with deep conditioners that do not smell good, and this one smells really good. It smells really like candy. It smells yummy, and this one is not a thick conditioner. Well, this one I cannot tilt it over. If I tilt it over, it's pretty well gonna fall over, so I'm not gonna be doing that. Alright, so let's begin. Let us dive in. I usually don't wrap my hair in a microfiber towel, but I think I'm gonna start doing that for when I do my makeup. Oh! Because it doesn't over dry my hair. Oh my Jesus. Can you guys see how my hair looks right now? I'm telling you. And I didn't even leave the conditioner in my hair. I just used this guy right here just to detangle. My hair feels so good. I think it's ready to go. Let's do a no styling product today. Just rock the hair like this. Just kidding. We got makeup on it. Makeup on it, makeup on it. We got makeup on it. We got makeup on it. Alright. What? Oh my god. This is gonna be hard, guys, because my hair already feels soft. So, I don't know. Well, let's see if it makes my hair softer. So I'm going to start sectioning my hair in half. I'm actually doing a pretty decent size. I'm not going to do as little bit as I usually do, just because I feel like my hair feels good. So I don't think I'm going to go ham with the product today. Because this is a $20 product, and because it only brings 8 ounces, I'm really praying and hoping that a little goes a long way with this product, because for expensive products that only bring a little bit amount, you want to treasure it and keep it forever. At least I know I do, because it's expensive to get a backup. So hopefully a little goes a long way. I'm not going to soak my hair too much. Dampen it enough so that my hair can soak in all of the hair mask. Yeah, I think instead of putting my hair in a bun every time I get out the shower, I just automatically do that out of habit. I'm going to start putting it in a microfiber towel because it doesn't get tangled. Did you guys see that? It really doesn't get tangled. So that was so random, but yeah. So I'm going to go ahead. Oh, let me show you. I want to show you guys the consistency, so I don't want it to pour out. See that? It's very, very liquidy. It's like dripping. No! We must not waste product. This one is expensive. Ooh, it feels really, really velvety and creamy. I feel like I say that about everything, but you know when they have that like super soft like texture where it's just like, I know you're gonna work in my hair? It's giving me that texture. So let's see, I'm not gonna use too much. Apply about this much to my hair. It feels so soft. It's so satisfying when a product smells good, feels good, and just, I love it. I love it already. I wouldn't necessarily say that this deep conditioner has a lot of slip because I feel like I have to wet my hair some more in order to give me that slip feeling that I like to feel. This one doesn't have that much slip. At least I don't think so. I'm kind of struggling a little bit. Ouch. But it does feel nice. I totally forgot to mention, guys, super side note. I know this is super very important. What? Super very important? What are you saying? I know this is very important. This product, I know the last 2 weeks I haven't been doing the deep conditioners that are curly girl friendly, but everything I use today is curly girl friendly. This one has no mineral oil. Oh, I think I said that already. Anyways, if I didn't say it, I'm gonna say it again. It has no mineral oil, no sulfates, no parabens. I don't think it has any silicones in here. So I'm reading the packaging and it does say that it doesn't have any mineral oils, no sulfates, no parabens. Now it doesn't say that it doesn't have any silicones in it, but I was just reading the ingredients right now and I didn't find a silicone in there. I'm gonna check it again, do my research, make sure there is no silicones in there, and then I'll let you guys know in the description box below, just to let you know that it is curly girl friendly if you follow the curly girl method. You know, I cater to my girls who follow the curly girl method, and I think actually today all of the products that I used are curly girl friendly. So I got you, girls, don't worry. So yeah, it feels nice on the hair, but off the bat I feel like the texture of the deep conditioner, I thought it will feel creamier on my hair than it did on my hands. On my hands it felt really nice and velvety and it had a really nice touch to it, but when I put it on my hair I felt like it didn't feel the same. Like I had to go in with some more water to make sure that, you know, I can get some good slip in there. And yeah, so that's just a little side note. I feel like it felt better on my hands than it does on my hair, but as you can see, it looks shiny already. Hey girl, hey, I see you. So I am going to apply the rest of the deep conditioner in my hair, and then I'm gonna come back and let you guys know if anything happens. I love to listen to worship music when I am doing my hair. Worship music is just the best music, in my opinion. Alright, so all of the conditioner is in my hair. As you can tell, I wasn't super duper heavy handed with the conditioner. There's literally no white residue. It literally looks like I just applied my products and I'm ready to go air dry my hair. My curls are super duper defined. They look amazing. They feel really, really nice and moisturized. However, I didn't get that easy detangle factor and, you know, all the slip that I like to use in a conditioner, but I'm not going to take the credit away from this deep conditioner because it doesn't claim to detangle your hair or anything like that. It just claims to repair, rejuvenate, hydrate, condition. All of these factors are after I rinse it out. It doesn't tell me anything about making it easy for me to detangle, which is why it's okay with me. But so far, guys, I'm liking that I did not have to use too much product to get to where my hair is right now, and it does feel really, really nice. It's super shiny. I'm hoping the shine stays in my hair once I rinse out the conditioner, but I have lots of curl definition. My hair feels so drenched in conditioner right now, and it looks nice and fluffy and airy still, but I am going to put it up in a bun just so it can penetrate. And I think I'm going to use my thermal heat cap. I'm going to show you guys. Look at all that shine though. I'm loving this. So I'm going to be using my thermal heat cap, which is this little guy right here. What I do is that I take a plastic cap, put it on my hair just to protect it and create like a layer so the conditioner doesn't go on my little cap. I look like a lunch lady, but it's okay. Pop this in the microwave for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side so it gets really nice and hot. And I just pop it on my hair like so, and I let it penetrate in my hair until it's not hot anymore, and then I'll just rinse it out and show you guys what my hair looks like after. So I'll be right back and I'll show you guys my results once my hair is rinsed out with no conditioner. Alright guys, we're back. We are back. And let me tell you before I take this towel down, I'm impressed. So let's see. So I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison. Me taking off my towel without the conditioner, and then after, and then we're going to see if my hair is shiny. What? So guys, my hair right now feels brand spanking new. Look at the shine. I think it definitely held the shine that it put in my hair while I had it on. I'm just like, I feel like a brand new person right now. Who am I right now? My hair feels so thick. It feels fluffy. It feels full. Okay, so let's just go back to read the claim. So I'm on the Sally Beauty website right now, and I have it pulled up right here. And I'm just going to read over the details of the conditioner, of the hair mask. I'm sorry. We're just going to see if it kind of does what it claims it's supposed to do. So it says that it's supposed to leave your hair feeling soft and manageable and with more elasticity. And my hair definitely feels soft. I wouldn't necessarily say there's a dramatic difference from when I didn't deep condition my hair to when I did, because I did use a really hydrating conditioner. But my hair does feel soft and fluffy, and I do think I'm going to have a great wash and go. So I do think it did help me with the softness, and I feel like it is going to be easy for me to manage. So I would give it a check for that. It intensively penetrates well into all layers of the hair shaft, which for the most part I think it did an amazing job at that as well. And it says it helps replenish hair and fight against split ends. I got a trim a couple months ago. I just used this conditioner one time, so I don't have a fair review as to if it's going to help repair and replenish my split ends. So that one is going to be a question mark. I need to try it a couple more times and see if there's any progression over time. I just love how my hair feels. I feel like I could just hair dry my hair without any products and I'll have a bomb one-day wash and go. It restores hair condition and delivers shine, which is yes, my hair is definitely shiny. It looks amazing. It looks great. It looks hydrated, nourished, moisturized, all that good stuff. It definitely did. And the last one, it says that it makes your hair feel soft and reduces frizz. And I could definitely say, although my hair has dried up a bit and it's not soaking wet, there's not much frizz to it, which I'm surprised, because my hair without any products is a frizzy mess, which is why deep conditioning is always super important. So this mask, I would definitely give it a 10 out of 10. Because it delivered everything that it said it was supposed to do. It did for my hair. The only thing I don't like is that it's 8 fluid ounces and that it's $19.99. I feel like you can find a more affordable hair mask if you want to use it on a weekly basis, but I feel like this particular hair mask is one of those hair masks that you use for a special occasion where you want your hair to look its best. I feel like this will be one of the hair masks that I would use just because it's so special. And last but certainly not least, I did want to just point out the beautiful packaging of this deep conditioner. I did wish it brought more, but I love the gold top. I love how the purple label stands out. But honestly guys, this is just beauty, okay? This just deserves its own shelf. Like, it needs to be by itself there in a little frame, and you know, it's just that pretty. All right, enough rambling. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you found my review helpful, and if you decide to purchase this hair mask, let me know in the comments below what your thoughts on the hair mask is. If you've tried it before, if you love it, you hate it, let me know. I want to talk to you. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at Chelly's Curl so we can stay connected and be curl friends. And I will see you guys on my next video, which I'm going to be reviewing a new product for my wash and go, and I'm super excited because I want to see how my hair's going to look. All right, let me stop talking. I'll see you guys in my next video.